Let's take a look at Google Data Studio interface. Browse over to datastudio.google.com and click on Use it for free. Once you click on it, you will be required to log into your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, then you can create one in this interface. Once you log in, you will be taken to Data Studio interface. This is the interface where you will create all your visualizations. In this lecture, I am going to walk you through this interface so that you can become familiar with what's available and how you can start to use this to create your data visualizations. On the top of this interface, you have these 4 buttons here, which allow you to change the Google Analytics product you are in. Currently, you are in Data Studio. By clicking here, it will show you other products such as Data Studio, Optimize, Google Analytics, etc. Next to the product selection is your help menu. By clicking on help menu, you will be able to search help related to Google Data Studio. These 3 vertical dots represent any leftover menu option. Clicking on it shows you that currently it's only send feedback option. And then this is your account. You can switch to another account if you have multiple accounts by clicking on this icon. Underneath the main navigation, you have options to create your report. One is a blank report, and then few templates that are available from Google. You can use these templates as a starting point for your own customized report, or you can use them as it is. By clicking on all templates, you will be able to see all the templates that are available. As you can see here, you have Google Analytics template, Search Console template, Google Ads template, YouTube Analytics templates, etc. If you want to use any of these, click on it and customize it. To go back to the home screen, simply click on the arrow which says Start a new report. Now you're back to the home screen. On the home screen, you have navigations that allow you to browse through all your reports. As you build your reports, they will start to show up in the main section of this page. Currently, we are looking at all section, which will show all the reports. As you can see, currently there is only one report available, which is Welcome to Data Studio, start here, and the owner is Google Data Studio. Google has provided you a welcome report. Next to each report is a menu option, as you can see by 3 dots. Clicking on it will allow you to share, rename, or remove it. You can rename the reports that are owned by you. When you have multiple reports, this list will get long, and you can use a search option to search and find the report that you're looking for, as well as sort them by clicking on the A to Z option. Clicking on it will open up the options that you can sort this list by. Other 2 options here groups the report by the ownership. So owned by me, clicking on this will open up a tab that shows you all the reports that are owned by you. That means you created them and you are the owner. Next one is shared with me, which opens up a tab and shows you all the reports that have been shared with you. Somebody else created them and they have given you access so that you can collaborate with them on either modifying the report or just viewing the report. And then final option is trash. Trash is just like a trash on your computer. This contains all the reports that have been deleted by you. In case you need to recover those reports, you can recover those from the trash or empty the trash to clean out and remove them permanently. Click on all to go back to your main home screen. A little bit word about these menu options on your left hand side. Currently you are looking at the report section. Then you have data sources. Clicking on it will open up a window where you can connect to the data sources. We will explore these as we go through our lectures. Explorer, it allows you to find your insights faster. Then there are several other options. which provide you more information about Google Data Studio as well as opportunity for you to learn. Product overview will provide you a screen where you can see the product overview. Keep in mind, clicking on any of these options will open up a new tab. So you'll have to come back to this tab to continue working with Google Data Studio. So let's click on it. This is your product overview. You can explore, get information on various features. Go back. Report gallery is a gallery of reports that have been shared by others. You can use them as an inspiration to create your own visualization. If you like something that you want to share with others, you can also do so. So click on it, and here are some of the reports that have been shared by others. Go ahead and explore them when you get time. Go back. Connect to data will show you all the possible data connectors available. It even allows you to create your own data connector if it's not available. Click on it and you can see various data connectors available. There are several that are available from Google, and then partner connectors, which are the connectors created by third parties. They're not owned by Google, they're owned by the third party. They have created these connectors so that you can use them to connect to various other data sources. Go back. Then you have information about new features. You can see the release dates and what was released. Video tutorials for you to learn more about Google Data Studio. Several tutorials are available. And then user settings. Click on it because you will ultimately have to set these options. So click on user settings and answer these questions. Sign up for emails. You can pick yes or no. I'm going to pick yes to all of these. Developer options. If you are going to be building your own community data connectors, then you will need to set this option. If not, you can just ignore it. And then account and privacy. This is where you will need to agree to Google's terms. So go ahead and read this and fill this information and then click save. Once you're done, then you will be able to use Google Data Studio. Go back to reports. And in the next lecture, we will start to look at how to create a new report from scratch.